Okay, the first line of my story after my title is I went on vacation with my family to Wisconsin Dells last summer. So I want to think about what I want to show on my slide. I can show me in Wisconsin Dells. I can show me going there. I think I want to show a picture of me driving there so that I give the impression that it's going on vacation, going on a road trip. And there are many other ways to get images besides just drawing them yourself in Keynote. The most obvious place is from the internet. So I'm going to go into Safari and I'm going to choose a search engine. Some search engines are going to have images available to you and some are not. I'm going to go into Ask and I'm going to click on images and I'm going to think about what I want to type, and I think I'm going to start with road and see what I get. So if I just go to road, I can scroll down and see my different pictures, but what I want to look at is the size of the picture because my slideshow is very big. It's much bigger than it shows right now because I'm zoomed way out at half the size. If I look below the picture, I can see some numbers here, and those are the dimensions of the picture. And the numbers probably don't mean much to you, but I can tell you that pictures that are in the 200s, 300s, 400s are pretty small. So I want to find something bigger, and there is a way in most image searches to specify what size image you want, and in this case it's right up here, show, and I can decide if I want a small image, medium, large, or wallpaper, which is supposed to be full screen. I'm going to choose a large image, and it's going to show me just the larger sizes now. These are all over 1,000, 800, 1,000, and so I'm going to go down, and I think I like this one. You don't want to just drag that in there. I'm going to show you why. I'm going to put that one in there, and now if I go and try to stretch it out, I can no longer see it. It's very blurry. So I'm going to delete that, and what you have to do is click on the image first, and then you want to click on it again to see the full size. Now you want to drag it and drop it onto your slide. Okay, then I'm going to stretch it out so it takes up the entire slide. It could even be bigger than the slide if I want. It could go off the edge. Okay, and so now I want to put a car there. And I could go on the internet and search for a car, but there are other ways. There's another program we used that we did get graphics from, and that is a program you can use, which is Inspiration. So I'm going to pull up Inspiration. I'm going to go to a blank diagram. And now the pictures in here are kind of cartoonish, but that's okay. Okay, we're telling a fun story. You can use cartoon pictures. I can look through the different libraries to see if it has what I want, or I can just type something into the search right here. I'm going to type in car, I'm going to press return, and I'm going to see what I get. So I get some photographs, but I also get some drawings. Oh, here's like a van right there. I'm going to click on it. Now I want to delete the words main idea because I don't want the words. And I want to move this to the side, and there are actually two different ways that I could get this picture onto my slideshow. There's a right way and there's a wrong way. I'm going to first drag it in and drop it, and this is not the right way, and you'll see why. Once I drag it in there, look what happens. I have this white box around it. I cannot get rid of that white box. If I instead click on the picture and then I choose Edit Copy and then click back and choose Edit Paste, now it drops it in there without the background, and it looks much better. So I'm going to delete the one with the background, and I'm going to put this right on the road. Maybe make it even a little bigger. Right on the road. Now I want to type my text in, or I can copy the text, Edit, Copy, and then Edit, Paste, and it's going to paste it in there, but look how small it is. This is the real text size, so of course I have to make it bigger. I'm going to select it, I'm going to go to Fonts, and then I'm just going to make it bigger like that. I can move that around, and then I'm going to change the color of the text, and you'll see that there are different ways that I can make this text stand out because I really can't see it at all right now.